Hello everyone. I have been feeling very uncomfortable over the last, I would say the last 5 days. I do feel I need to express this. It feels like something big is happening. I have this spiritual feeling that something's going to happen. I don't know what this. I feel that I know what it is, but I don't know why this is happening. Okay, so this is for everyone. Okay, it's kind of something that I just feel this, okay, very, very strongly. Now I've picked up that it's to do with, I did pick up on this quite a couple of 3 weeks ago, that there's going to be earthquakes, okay, succession of earthquakes. Whether spirit wants me to warn people about further earthquakes, I don't know. But I feel very strong about this, and I'm getting in Europe. I know that I'm in Europe, but I'm getting in Europe successions of earthquakes. So okay, so there was one in Greece that I think was it 1 inch against a mount, pushing the plates pushing 1 inch, which has had a knock-on effect to Italy. And Italy have had, how many, is it two earthquakes now? The last one was 6 point something on the Richter scale. But I don't feel it's finished there, okay? I'm recording this on the evening of the 30th of October, and I do not feel that these earthquakes have finished yet. I feel it's a succession of earthquakes. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to do a reading and then add to this reading of why this is happening, okay, and if there's any more of these earthquakes, okay, because I feel that I'm needing to warn people here I'm getting Italy, okay, Italy, yeah. Although we already know that there's been 2 large earthquakes there, but let's see. Now there's blessings. I'll do the angel cards first, but I'll quickly go through the angel cards and then I'll do the tarot, okay. So I've got blessings and an awakening. Resurrection, forgiveness and surrender, communication, truth, healing. Spirit is saying that what I'm seeing here, that these earthquakes of devastation, that I'm talking about earthquakes of devastation in Europe, is an awakening, okay, it's an awakening, and the divine wants forgiveness for what Europe has done, I mean, this must be the superpowers of, I don't know, of what Europe has done. They want Spirit is saying that they want forgiveness from, they want Europe to forgive the divine for what they've done. That's what I'm getting. This is a form of communication. These earthquakes are a form of communication to bring truth and to bring healing. Okay, so Spirit has brought destruction, fire, to say what is going on in the world or what is going on in Europe is wrong. Is wrong. Okay, whatever Europe has done here, okay, so they brought fire. They brought fire. The ministration of this, spiritually speaking, the universe wants purity, wants to bring back purity. And the purity, I feel, the suffering will bring unity. The suffering and the vibrations of this will bring unity. Okay, unity. I feel in a humanitarian, Spirit feels that Europe and Western countries have lost its way, and to bring love and bring love and purity back, there has to be some kind of fire. Okay, so I'm going to use the tarot cards now to find out if there's going to be more destruction here. Okay. Spirit guide and the universe, I've felt this now for so many days. Can you tell me, what are you trying to warn me to tell people out there? What are you trying to warn me here? Trying to warn the simple people. Trying to warn the simple people. Okay. Trying to warn the simple people. Bring purity and unity. What is it you're trying to warn us here? Is there going to be another earthquake in Europe? Is there going to be another earthquake in Europe? Surrender to love. I don't know what the messages are here, but I'll try and read these messages, okay. Okay, I'll try and read these messages, okay, so bear with me. The first thing here, the blessings card says that Spirit wants to bring happiness here. That people, divine plan is that people need to be more patient and to surrender to love. The divine wants people to surrender to love and have patience, more patience and forgiveness. There's an awakening here. I feel that the awakening, I'm getting this strong feeling that although there's been evacuations in parts of central Italy, I feel that this warning is that there needs to be evacuation from the cities close to this epicenter. The cities close to this epicenter. I'm getting Rome, I'm getting Florence in Italy. The resurrection of this, there may be people that are trapped. Communications. There's a delay in communicating. There's a delay in telling people to evacuate. The truth is that this is going to cause despair. And there needs to be healing. There's a delay in communicating this. For some reason, there's a delay in communicating. People need to evacuate. This person, I feel, is trying to communicate and say, look, you know, there's going to be another earthquake which is going to be more powerful. Okay. A magnitude of over 7.1, which is huge. It's a massive earthquake, okay. It's over 7 on the Richter scale. I've got 7.1, which is huge, which could reach either Rome, destruction in Rome, or one of the bigger cities, or Florence. I'm getting Rome. The administration of this is to have compassion. Purity is that there's going to be a lot of sad females here for some reason. I'm not getting what that is, why there's so many sad females here. And the vibration of this, there's been so many people that have been foolish. And on top of the Unity card here is, okay, this earthquake, or this is what this is predicting here, is going to bring a huge surprise. It's going to come as a surprise. I think there's going to be another one that's going to be much bigger than the other two or three, and this is going to be a huge surprise, which is going to bring unity. Which is going to bring unity from the whole of Europe, the world. You know, I think it's going to be above 7, magnitude of 7.1 Richter scale. I think that's the terminology, I don't know. That's what I'm getting from Spirit. 7.1 or 7.2. So, yeah. I'm just going to ask Spirit if this is going to be, just to ask the pendulum. Spirit guide, is there going to be another earthquake in Italy? Yes or no? Yes or no? Is there going to be another earthquake? Says yes. Is this earthquake going to be of a magnitude of 7.1 on the Richter scale, yes or no? 7.2, 7.3, 7.3, which is very, very powerful earthquake, 7.3. Is this earthquake going to affect Rome? Is this earthquake going to affect Rome? Yes or no? Is this earthquake going to affect Florence? Yes or no? Florence? Is it going to affect other towns and cities in Italy? Yes. When is this next big earthquake going to happen? You said suddenly there, or a surprise. Can you please let us know when this may happen? Is it going to happen on the 31st of October? This bigger earthquake. 31st of October 2016. The 1st of November? The 1st of November, is that correct? 1st of November. Is that in the morning? Is that in the morning, yes or no? Is that in the evening, yes or no? Is it in the evening? Is it the early hours of the 1st of November? Early hours? In the middle of the night? In the middle of the night. Okay, so I've got the 31st in the middle of the night, which goes into the 1st of November, is when this is going to happen. I'll just make sure that it's not anywhere else, rather than is this earthquake going to be in Italy? Yes or no? Is this going to be in Italy? Yes or no? Is this earthquake going to be in Italy? Yes or no? Yes, yes, it is. Yes. Is there going to be any sea involved, like the Adriatic Sea? Is there going to be any water involved with this earthquake? Yes or no? No. So it's going to be on land, this earthquake. Yeah. In Italy. So it says that it's going to be in Italy, not far from the epicenter from the last one, but this time it's going to be 7.2 of magnitude, which is huge, with huge destruction, and there's people going to be trapped here. There's going to be delays on getting, because it's going to be a, it's going to be a surprise. I'm getting in the middle of the night, tomorrow night. So I feel this, I do feel this, spiritually myself here. So I'm just going to do 3 oracle cards. It's not saying a major city, so it must be close to where it was before. But maybe a larger area, because if it's a bigger, if it's larger in magnitude. Let's have a look. Yeah. Including, it's involving families. That's why we've got a lot of women upset here. Going to be a surprise, And it's saying you need to forgive the divine for this, because I'm asking why they're doing this, and it's to bring unity and love back to people, you know, so they can reconnect, because something's gone wrong with humanity here. Okay, I feel this is why this is happening. This is what the universe is portraying back to me. So we need to be wary here of another earthquake on the 31st in the middle of the night. I'm just going to ask what time. I'm being really specific here, aren't I? What time in the middle of the night on the 31st of October into the 1st of November? What time is this going to, this earthquake going to strike? 12 o'clock midnight? 1 o'clock in the morning? 2 o'clock in the morning? 3 o'clock in the morning? 4 o'clock in the morning? 5 o'clock in the morning? 5 o'clock in the morning? 5 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so we do that. 4 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning. Is it between 4 and 5? Is it between 4 and 5? Between 4 and 5. Okay, well, this is the message I'm getting. Okay, I feel much more calmer now that I've expressed this, okay, to you. I know there's been about 3, hasn't there, so far, and they're thinking that there's lots of geologists and scientists trying to predict another one, and there is like rumblings, constant rumblings, and the geologists are feeling that they can't predict another one, but there seems to be a succession of earthquakes here, and I'm getting the next one's going to be a 7.3. That's what my spirit guide is saying. 7.3 magnitude. In the middle of the night, the 31st, between 4 and 5. I may not be right there. It may, you know, it may be 5:30 in the morning, it may be. But that's what I'm getting very strongly. So let's just see if that does transpire. Okay, I hope not. I hope that I'm totally wrong here. That we don't. That Italy do not get a huge earthquake at the magnitude of 7.3. That's really bad earthquake. Okay, much destruction, and it says here that the spirit guide is warning people to evacuate. Okay, so I will put this as like a warning on YouTube. Hopefully I'm wrong. Hopefully I'm wrong. If this does transpire, please put your comments down below to what you feel about this spiritual message here, and let's hope that I'm wrong. Okay, lots of love, lots of blessings, and bye for now.